Good morning students, 4th standard maths, unit 2 numbers. In this lesson already we have learnt divide 3 digit numbers by 1 digit number and divide 4 digit numbers by 1 digit number. Today we are going to learn to frame word problems by using 4 operations. Page number 10, example 1. Here one picture has given and they have given the price of the fruits, and here they have framed the questions. Same like that in page number 11, exercise 2.3. Here they have given some details, some items they have given and its price also they have given. We have to frame the question. Now look at the table. Here name of the item and price per kg in rupees. First one, raw rice 56 rupees, boiled rice 54 rupees, wheat 40 rupees, tamarind 180 rupees, red chilli 100 rupees. Now what else could you frame some more questions based on this table? Here we have to frame the questions. Here I have framed one question. What is the cost of 1 kg of raw rice? Like that, remaining 3 questions you have to frame. Next, frame the word problems using the picture given. Here, cost of 1 piece of cake is rupees 25. 1 piece of cake rupees they have given. We have to find out here totally how many pieces of cakes are there. You count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So totally 16 pieces of cakes are here. So we have to frame the question. Cost of 1 piece of cake is rupees 25. So find the cost of 16 pieces of cakes. Here I have written the answer. Cost of 1 piece of cake is rupees 25. Find the cost of 16 pieces of cake. Next sum. Frame the word problems using the given picture. Here 7 clocks are here. Total cost of the clock is rupees 490. So we have to find out cost of 1 clock. So total cost of 7 clocks are rupees 490. What will be the cost of a clock? Next, estimating sums and differences. What is the meaning of estimation? Estimation means to round off each number to its nearest tens, hundreds or thousands, etc. Here we want to find out the sum and difference. Sum means addition and subtraction. For example, we have taken the number 85. Now we have to find out the estimation of 85. What we have to do? The step 1 is, first we have to look at the ones place number. This ones number is equal to 5 or greater than 5 means just ones place we have to put 0. That ones place number is equal to 5 or greater than 5 means we have to add 1 to the previous number. So here previous number is 8. We have to add 1 with this 8. So 8 plus 1, 9. So 85 is rounded up to 90. For example, 72. If the ones place number is less than 5 means just ones place we have to put 10 and the previous number as it is we have to write. We should not add any number with the previous number, just we have to write the previous number. So 72 is rounded up to 70. Page number 13, exercise 2.4. Estimate the following numbers to nearest tens and then add or subtract. First sum. Here 45 is given. The rounded of 45 is 50 because that ones place 5 is there. So we have to add 1 to the previous number. So 50. And and next number is 93. So 93 is rounded up to 90 because ones place 3 is there, that 3 is less than 5. So just we have to write the previous number and ones place we have to put 0. Now we have to add. So 0 plus 0, 0, and 5 plus 9, 14. So 140. And here you add this 5 plus 3, 8, and 4 plus 9, 13. So 138. So 138 is rounded up to 140. Next, one subtraction sum we will do. Here 78 is there. 78 is rounded up to 80 because that ones place 8 is there. 8 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the previous number. So ones place 0. So 80. Next 32. 2 is less than 5. So ones place 0 and previous number as it is we have to write. So 30. Now this is a subtraction sum. So we have to subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 3, 5. And here you subtract 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. So 46 is rounded up to 50. Remaining two sums you have to do it as a homework. Next exercise 2.5. Already one sum they have done for you, and the second sum I will explain. You listen carefully. Remaining sums you have to do it as a homework. Okay. So 82 into 28. First actual number we have to multiply and write the answer. So 82 into 28, 8 2s are 16, remaining 1, 8 8s are 64, so 65, 2 2s are 4, next 2 8s are 16. Now we have to add 6, 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 6, 12, remaining 1, and 1 plus 1, 2. So 2296. Next we have to write the estimation value. 82 is estimation value is 80 into 28 is rounded up to 30 equal to 8 3s are 24, and here 1 0, here 1 0. So 2 zeros we have to join with the answer. So 2400. Next difference we have to find out. The difference means from the big number to small number we have to subtract. So 2400 minus 2296 equal to, we have to subtract here. So we have to take borrow from here. So 4 will be changed into 3, and here 9, and here 10. So 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. So 104. So that difference is 104. Same like that, remaining third sum and fourth sum you have to do it as a homework. Okay students, in this class we have learned how do we frame the word problems and estimation in addition and subtraction and multiplication. Okay students, thank you.